Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a DIY drying rack for my herbs. I've got a lot of sage left and spearmint. So I went to Marvin's, the home improvement store, and purchased some aluminum, what is this, like an aluminum,
Grate.
what is this called? Like a,
I would call it a grate, aluminum
okay.
grate.
Yeah, and it's going to be a size 24 by 84. So that's what this looks like. It was $7.99. And then I bought some wood, and I went and cut these at 2 feet. These.
She has her own saw,
I have a
guys.
miter saw, and I cut these too. And we're going to use these staples, and we're going to staple it to it and see how it turns out. Let's see. I'm thinking that one. So we're going to I'm going to cut the screen. Let's just call it screen.
This screen, yeah.
Oh, and that's perfect. Right like this.
Perfect like me.
Yeah, and then once I do that, we're gonna come back. All right, so what we're gonna do is gonna staple this one here, and I just got some regular scissors, and I want to be about, let's see, let's do it about. I'm gonna cut it right here. So I'm gonna put it down like this, and hopefully this will be straight. And if not, I can go back and clean it up because I am a seamstress. So let's cut. Okay. So what we're gonna do is turn it this way, and I'm gonna staple it. So let's put it on here, starting like this, and we're gonna just put a couple of staples in it. Yeah.
Y'all like the way she handling that tool, huh?
herbs off my herb garden and put them in here. And then we'll be back. I'm going to start off by getting some of this spearmint. I'm just cutting it off. Putting it in here. Just cutting off the tops of it. Okay? And then I'm going to grab some sage. This is sage. So this is enough. Okay, so we're gonna go put this on the drying rack.
It's gonna get you.
Okay, so I'm gonna start and put my spearmint on here. Just gonna lay them on here. On this side, spearmint. Okay, and then this is my sage. I'm gonna lay it over here on this side. And so we're going to put this here, and then I'm going to put the top of this over it, and then sun will come out tomorrow, and we'll see how long it takes to dry up. I'm going to put this on here just in case some wind might come to hold it. Let's set it right here. Nope, that ain't going to work. Let's find something else. Well, I don't think any wind's gonna come. We're gonna just leave it right here to dry out for a couple of days, and then we'll see what it does. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.